A baker sold curry puffs at 80 cents each, kaya puffs at 60 cents each. Curry puffs, kaya puffs. Kailing bought some curry puffs. And Faisal bought some kaya puffs from the baker. Now, Faisal spent $1.20 less than Kailing, but bought 5 more puffs than Kailing. How much did Kailing spend on the curry puffs? Now, to do this question, we need to ensure that both these people have the same number of puffs. Okay, so how do we do that? We have to take away 120 and that 5 puffs. Okay, because remember, Kailing and Faisal, Kailing's number of puffs is like that, Faisal is a little bit more by 5. Okay, so when we take away this 5, we will have both of them spending on the same number of puffs. Alright, so Kailing is for this amount and Faisal is for this particular amount right here. So what does that mean? That means that 120 plus 5 puffs, 5 kaya puffs, right? Because Faisal bought kaya puffs, take away that 5 kaya puffs. So 5 times 60 cents. So 120 plus $3, $4.20. Which means, right, what does this tell us? If they were to buy the same number of puffs, right, Kailing would have spent $4.20 more if this is the number of puffs for each of them. Okay, Kailing would have spent $4.20 more. Why is that so? Because Kailing's puffs, which is a curry puff, is 20 cents more as compared to the kaya puffs, right? So 20 cents more, that step is 80 cents minus 60 cents, 20 cents. Okay, again I repeat, Kailing would have needed to spend $4.20 more if they were to buy the same number of puffs each. So what is this number of puffs? Why is it that she has to spend $4.20 more? Because for every curry puff Kailing buys, she has to pay 20 cents more as compared to Faisal. Alright, so if she's spending $4.20 more, that means the number of puffs she needs to buy, or Kailing needs to buy, is $4.20 divided by 20 cents, which is 21 puffs. And how much did she spend on this 21 puffs here? 21 times, Kailing bought curry puffs, right? So that's 80 cents. 21 times 0.80, $16.80. Final answer for this question.